So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find the latest tech stock news here on Seeking Alpha. So once Seeking Alpha is opened up, I want you to go to the top left, press on this gray arrow to get the drop down, then go to where it says Market News, and then press on Top Market News. Once you're here, I want you to go to this left-hand side to where it says News, and then I want you to scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says Tech, and then press on that. Once you're here, you can go ahead and view the latest tech stock news. So you can go ahead and view a bunch of different articles related to a bunch of different tech stocks, and the articles that it'll show you sort of in this blue area right here, the ticker symbol of the stock in question. So CRCL, there's TEL, there's NET, there's Oracle, etc. You can go through and view the latest tech stock news this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find the latest tech stock news on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.